Hi everybody, it's Liz. I'm coming on for a quick minute this Monday morning. I wanted to do a flip through quickly of my last fall journal before I kind of start on Christmas and stuff. Like I said, I think in my last video, I honestly just can't get into the Christmas spirit just yet. And I had such good comments and stuff on my thankful journal, on my gratitude journal for November, that I decided to kind of make another one. And this one is going up in my shop. As when I get off the video for this, I'll take some pictures and get it up in the shop. And anyway, it's not quite as detailed as mine, which mine was very plain. And this one is a little less plain, and I will include, and where did I put it? Oh my goodness. I don't know where it is right now, but I will have a little bag of goodies so that you can decorate it and put your own touch on it. And then I have an exciting thing. So my son, I wanted a bookbinding cradle, and my husband was going to make one, and then I got on Etsy to show my husband what they were so that he could make it out of wood for me. And guess what? My son actually 3D printed me one. I couldn't believe it. And I am super excited, and I decided to put these in my shop. They're relatively easy for him to make, and he actually designed it. So this is his own design, and basically what you do is there's a channel in here, and you take your book, and I'm just going to grab this one right next to me that is not bound yet. This is our little mushroom journal, which in the next video I am going to start working on the ephemera for this. So basically you just put it in like this, and then when you want to do your binding, you get your awl. I'm obviously not going to punch through it right now because it's not ready, but basically you get your awl and you punch through, and then your awl goes in this channel like this, and you get your hole in your journal. So they're very handy to have. I know Gail Augustinelli also has one, and I saw it on her channel, and I was like, wow, that's really cool. So anyway, my son 3D printed these, and I'm going to get these up in my shop, and they will be made to order. So they'll take a little bit of time. I think they take about, I think he said 5 to 7 hours to print. So obviously it'll be made to order, and then we'll hopefully get it out either next day or within 3 days of you ordering. And yeah, so there's that. So super excited about that. But let's get back to this quick, this little gratitude journal. And like I said, this will be my last kind of fallish journal. But what I like to do with mine is the Thankful 30, and that started on November 1st. But what I thought of with this one would be really cool to do is to bring this to your Thanksgiving table, and it's just closed with this kind of fun gingham, burnt orange gingham ribbon. And anyway, what I thought would be fun to do this is to bring it to your Thanksgiving table and have everybody write in it, like what they're grateful for, what their year has been like, all of that. So I actually think I will have enough pages in mine to do that. We have a kind of a small family, so there'll only be 6 of us at dinner. So yeah, I think I'll have like exactly 6 pages left in mine, and that's what I'm going to do, is have my boys and my son's fiance write what they are grateful for this year. So I thought that would be fun. So anyway, it's got a nice little mushroom printable on it, and these printables in here were from the Digital Collage Club. So I will link that below, and it's a great little club. It's, I believe, $99 for the year and like maybe $12.99 a month. Don't quote me on that. I don't know price. I paid for a lifetime membership. And I think I got a 10% discount from Barbara over at 49 Dragonflies. So go to her channel and there's a discount code for the Digital Collage Club, and I love their digitals. Super great, and a super great to have. So anyway, that's my plate for that's my plug for this book. So anyway, lovely autumn fabric on this, and this was actually a scarf that I picked up at Goodwill, and this is just stamped with thankful. And then when you go in here, I loved this one, and I'm actually gonna put this in mine too. I made a writing board. So you basically put this in here like this, and you can write on it, and you have a nice hard surface to write on. So that gets tucked in here, and you can decorate this however you want. I did not realize when I made this side that it was raised a little bit, so I suggest writing on this side. So without the decoration. So like I said, you put it in like this, and you can write on it, and so there's that, and that just gets tucked in there like that, and a good place to keep it. And I loved this little girl. Like I said, this is a very simple journal. I did not do much with it. I sewed around the edges. And then we have tucks and little tags and stuff in here. And these are just backed with coffee dyed paper. Little word phrases, count your blessings. I tried to match this up as best I could, so I matched some pumpkins with the pumpkins over here. You have some writing space, definitely a lot of writing space in this one. Like I said, I minimally decorated this one. So some writing space here, some little kid paper, manuscript paper there. So yeah. And like I said, this one is one of my cheaper journals, and I did not decorate some of the tags because I wanted you to put your touches on this one. So like I said, this will be one of my cheaper journals going up in my shop, and I will definitely leave a link below, and I tried to match up as best I could. So we have a little deer here. And another little girl. I loved her. I thought she was beautiful. Little tuck in here. And like I said, I will be adding I don't know honestly where, like I said, where I put it, but I'll be adding like a little goodie bag of stuff for you to decorate this. Little scrapbooking papers and stuff like that. So we have this, and we have some leaves, and these are raised, and this is why this page really is why I made the writing board, was because I realized that these were going to be a little bit hard to write on because they were dimensional, but and so you have just a little tuck here with some coffee dyed paper, and that gets tucked under the belly band here. And more little, so little book page with some, with a little tag in here, little pumpkins that gets tucked in there, some mushrooms. I loved this. So this was on my sewing machine, and it is actually leaves. I got a brand new sewing machine for my birthday in October. I think I mentioned that, and so excited because it actually comes with some really great stitches. And this happened to be, like I said, it was fall leaves. So I added that to some of the pages. So yeah, and then we have this little tuck, little autumn pumpkin and leaves. We have another little tuck here, be thankful always. Yeah, so these were actually, I think these were Happy Planner stickers, very old Happy Planner stickers that were in my autumn stash. So I used these. I thought they were pretty there. And then I have just this beautiful ribbon that I put down the side here. Loved this autumn ribbon. And then I stamped on this page, it says shorter days and setting sun, set the stage for autumn fun. So I got that there, and some more of this beautiful stitching from my sewing machine, mushrooms, a pheasant, some lace. And like I said, towards the end here, I did a little more decorating because I kind of got bored with just putting stuff in there, and I was like, oh man, maybe I should decorate some of it. So yeah, it's a little journaling spot there. And then, like I said, I went back to kind of plain, some more of that beautiful, oh, maybe I'm not in frame. Some more of that beautiful leaf pattern on the printing, and another little tuck spot here. Like I said, this one's kind of heavy on the mushrooms, which I loved. And then some little pocket here in the front. This is not a pocket back here. This is like totally, this is not a pocket. So just this is the pocket. And then some music paper, some old music paper. So yeah, I tried to match the colors in this pretty well. I don't know, like I said, how kind of well I did, but I tried to pick up this red color with this red, and the orange with this orange, just for some different colors. And I added this blue for this blue here. So yeah, this is actually a index card that I coffee dyed and just put the scrapbooking paper on the edge. And then we come to the end of the journal, and that, oh, and we have a extra little piece there from when I was making it. So yeah, this is the, like I said, this is the quick gratitude journal. This will be my last fall journal. If you would like, you can pick this up in my shop, and this will be, like I said, this will be fairly reasonable. I've been trying to do some stuff that's reasonable in my shop rather than kind of the more expensive journals. Anyway, I still do have a lot of Halloween in my shop. I ended up doing tons of Halloween this year. So that is still there. I have not got much else in there at the time, but like I said, this will be in there. And I wish you all a good day. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And to my new subscribers, thank you for coming on board. I appreciate that. I am still doing the 100 subscriber giveaway. So leave me a comment on maybe the subscriber number that you are there, but also what you would like to see. Would you like to see more unfinished journals, kind of like this one, or minimally decorated journals in my shop? Or would you like to see kind of the all-inclusive, just stuff-filled journals? I am trying to figure out where to go, or something in between. So leave me a comment below. I would love to know, like I said, if you like kind of the simpler journals like this that are more reasonable, or if you like the decorated ones that are a little more expensive and you don't need to kind of do a lot too. So anyway, have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next video.